I love the harnesses with the stock seats.
Fuck yeah, dude. That's why I got this setup. Like, it specifically works with it.
Oh, that clutch feels grippy. What do you have in it?
DKM.
Yeah.
Stage 5. Twin disc. Good to 650.
Okay, that's why. 'Cause it's like...
Oh yeah, the amount of times I've stalled this thing is crazy.
Oh, yeah, that's fair.
5 minutes later.
You can feel your rear tires.
There.
That was good.
That was okay. Okay. Forgot. You were in second gear.
You were so
damn it
through the chicanes. It is fucking mind-boggling.
I didn't even see the checker flag till the very last second.
That was so much fun, man.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
I wasn't sure how you'd feel about it.
Oh,
I was
dude, no, man, I have a, like,
is it all right?
Oh, man. I don't know if it's your rear tires, though, but car rotates so much in the back end. Like, a couple of these corners, I'm like, holy fuck. But this is the first time I've ever gone down a front wheel drive.
Ah.
So I'm like, is this how my car is gonna feel, kind of?
Well, it depends. I have my car set up to do that.
To do that, yeah. Because the stock setup in my car does that.
Yeah. Do you have an LSD in yours?
No. I wish.
Dude, I'll tell you that. That makes one of the biggest differences. See, I had a
This thing is rowdy.
yeah, that dude is off the track every weekend.
No, but like this.
Oh, this is rowdy?
This is rowdy.
Oh, thanks,
It
man.
is so quick.
Oh,
You threw the fucking the chicanes.
Yeah.
Compared to what I sat in this morning in the STI, I'm like, holy fuck.
Well,
You're holding so much more speed through them.
yeah.
It almost doesn't feel like you're gonna make it. Like in my mind, but I'm not used to it. But like,
And you know what? What's funny is from at least from what I can tell, and I'm looking to see what the
times.
To see what the times are and what the camera shows me. I should have a little bit more clearance through that chicane.
I mean, you're clipping the.
Me too, yeah.
How was it?
Nothing faster.
Man, a bit aggressive on the last one, eh?
Yeah. Well, I knew we had one lap left, so I was gonna see. Let's see how deep I can go, like into it.
Sorry, guys.
No worries.
Oh, yeah, we saw that.
So, but nothing faster though, right? Does it tell you what my last time was?
No, I'll look.
I want to know. Hi. All right.
You were definitely driving aggressive as fuck through that chicane.
Yeah, I was.
Like, it is crazy how fucking late how deep you're going into it. I could not believe it. I was like, is he braking?
At some point. Like, he's got to do it.